Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for the Alpha MUTT, the industry's most advanced and easy-to-use trailer tester and wireless inspection system. The Alpha MUTT arrives turnkey with all accessories and hoses needed to begin testing. To begin testing, you simply need to install a 12-volt battery and connect a shop air supply. Light testing is extremely easy with the Alpha MUTT. Simply connect the cable to your trailer and use your control knob, remote control, or tablet, and as you select each circuit, any faults will automatically display to the user. Users also have the option to run automatic scans with pass-fail results. Don't forget to perform a cable test prior to performing any testing. A cable test is an important function to verify proper pin connectivity. Air brake testing on the Alpha MUTT could not be any simpler. Connect your gland hands to the trailer, making sure you have an adequate incoming air supply. Adjust your regulator to the desired pressure, and turn the valves to the open position. You can operate brakes remotely to view timing and make adjustments, as well as performing leak down tests for your PMs. Your Alpha MUTT is equipped with ABS diagnostics. ABS codes can be viewed on the tester's LCD screen or via the tablet. To use the face panel, select the ABS circuit and follow the ABS instructions on the screen. Press the knob to access the ABS menu and turn the knob to view active and stored codes, clear all codes, and access the trailer's ABS ECU in real time. To perform ABS diagnostics on your tablet, open up the separate ABS app found on the home screen of the tablet. Press Request Faults. Then press Request ECU Information. All available information from the trailer ECU will be displayed on the screen. By selecting Troubleshooting Info on any fault, you can find additional information. If you wish to clear faults, simply press the Clear Faults button. The Alpha MUTT's proprietary software is simple to navigate and easy to use. If you would like to perform electrical, air brake, or reporting, press the Alpha MUTT app. When you get into the app screen, simply choose the type of test you would like to perform and begin testing. You can swipe left and right to see the different screens and follow any tips that are made available inside the app. The Alpha MUTT is capable of saving receipts from both electrical reports and DOT PM reports. If you wish to customize a report, the built-in Custom Report Editor can be navigated inside the app screen. This function is simple to use and can be accomplished within a few minutes. To view a saved report, press the Reports tab on the left side of the screen. Toggle between electrical and inspection reports using the button on the bottom right corner. Cloud sharing of reports can be accomplished using standard secure cloud sharing applications. To set up cloud sharing, contact your network admin or reach out to IPA directly at 888-786-7899.